draw the attention of this esteemed House to a grave issue that has been plaguing the people of my constituency, Hooghly, sir. The relentless Ganga riverbank erosion in the Balaghar region is causing severe distress and devastation to the lives and the livelihoods of our citizens, sir. Speaker, sir, the Ganga River traverses through Hooghly districts, approximately 74 kilometers, sir, of which around 34 kilometers are urban and 44 kilometers are rural, sir. The rural stretch predominantly falls within this Balaghar block, sir. A more than 2 kilometer stretch of the riverbank area from Guptipara Ferry Ghat onwards in Balaghar is experiencing rapid erosion affecting our 9 Gram Panchayats, sir. In the rural areas, there are several...
There has been a tragedy in Wayanad. I am absolutely amazed that they are not allowing us to give a statement on this. Speaker, sir, thank you for permitting me...
given a notice on Wayanad.
Thank you for permitting me to raise this issue of the tragedy in Wayanad. I visited Wayanad with my sister some days back, and I saw with my own eyes the devastation, the pain and suffering that resulted from this tragedy. Almost 2 kilometers of the hill had just collapsed, and almost a river of stones, river of mud had come down, and more than 400 people, more than 200 are dead and vast number are missing, but the eventual casualty is going to be 400 plus is what it seems. I'd like to commend the work of the Union and State Government, of NDRF and SDRF, of the Army, Navy and Coast Guard, District Administration, Forest Department, Fire and Rescue, Health personnel, and assistance also from the states Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, Telangana. It was also nice to see that all communities came together, everybody came together to help the people. People from different ideologies, different communities, everybody came together.